Welcome back for another Polygon Matic price prediction analysis video, and in this video I will be giving you reasons why we can see a break above the 0.9 in case Matic is able to break above the 0.8672, which is a significant key area of resistance. And at the time of this recording, Matic continues to hold above the 20-day MA here on the 1 hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. And in case we continue gearing up, we need to see a break above the 0.8672, flipping that key area of resistance back into support, and maybe also see a retest. And once the retest plays out, then I will be watching for higher prices, having the 0.9 as my first target area, and a break above the 0.9. Then I will continue watching for higher prices to the 0.981, which is the next key area of resistance, and a break above the 0.98. Then the $1 will be my next target area to the upside. I also need to give you a chart pattern that is information here on the 1 hour chart that we also need to pay close attention to. And that chart pattern is a double top, having our common tops at the area above the 0.8591, and I can draw that chart pattern for you here on the charts, having that as our common top. And you can see that we saw this attempt to give us a break to the upper side over here with a rejection. We saw a bit of a pullback, giving us the neckline of the chart pattern on the 0.8385. Then we saw another bounce. And if by any chance this time we don't see a successful break above this key area of resistance over here, there are chances that we can see another rejection to the lower side, taking us back to the 0.8385 where we have our neckline. And if by any chance we lose the 0.8385, then I will be watching for a breakout out of this chart pattern to the lower side, whose minimum target areas can be given by getting the height between the neckline and the tops. So I can get that height and then place it below the neckline to give me a target area to the lower side, back to the area below the 0.8161, which is the minimum that we can expect that chart pattern to give us a breakout to. That is a chart pattern that we need to pay close attention to. Also, basing my analysis on the Fibonacci, there are high chances that if by any chance we get a rejection at our key area of resistance on the 0.8672, or maybe see a reversal from the current prices, there are chances that we are going to see a breakdown move in the next coming hours. And that is a corrective move into this red target area that I have here on the charts, which is an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci, connecting the fibs from the low that we made below the 0.762 to that high above the 0.87, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, and that is between the 0.8153 and the 0.8027, which is the area over here. So in case of a pullback in the next coming hours, this is my breakdown target area. And this is an area that needs to continue holding, since that area should act as support. And as long as we continue holding within the area, we can expect another reversal to the upside, breaking above resistances in the next coming hours. But if by any chance we lose our golden pocket, which is the area over here, then I will be watching for a deeper pullback to the next key area of support on the 0.7836. And as long as this continues to hold, we can expect another bounce back. And on losing that, expect an even more bearish movement to the 0.72, where we have our next key areas of support. So that's all for this video, and I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you in the next one.